out of fuel in the long race. I have nothing. Totally dry. Totally dry. I don't know what I was thinking. When you're pushing your motorcycle and you find followers who know you, how do you even start explaining? What is this now? I've run out of fuel. I have run out of fuel in the long race. I have nothing. Totally dry. Totally dry. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't have any fuel here. And the petrol station is just 100 meters. That's where I passed a minute ago. What is this? Huh? What kind of nonsense is this? This is Jogoo Road. I don't have fuel. And I have to go back against traffic. The hell? I don't have a choice. Let me just push this thing. That is the only option left. You swallow your pride and push it. Damn it. Hey, I have to push it through the walkway because I can't go back against the moving traffic. So pedestrians, please forgive me. I have done something silly and now I have to pay for it. God damn it. I made a mistake. I was actually testing how this motorcycle is consuming fuel, and I think I overstretched my limit. And now I have to push this thing back to a petrol station. This is Jogoo Road. There's no way I'm gonna push this down the road against the traffic. I just have to do this. It is wrong to push a motorcycle on the walkway, but for the sake of my life, that's the only way I have to. Screwed up. I screwed up. And the people are looking at me like, what the heck is going on? I just started pushing a motorcycle. Do I really have a choice? Do I have any? I think I don't. Yes, that was silly. Poa sana. Yeah?
Naona iko na nini poa.
There is better. There is better.
Huh?
Much better.
Very nice.
Sasa nimesahau kufuel bana. Nilikuwa nakuja tu nimepita peti hapa ikanizinikia.
Oh,
I have to push it. Bana. Hii kitu sana tafuta mafuta. Safi, safi. When you're pushing your motorcycle and you find followers who know you, how do you even start explaining? Pushing a motorcycle, you're finding your followers, your social media followers, just looking at you like the heck happened. Run that! Go! 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 Hey, what the heck? This thing is so heavy. Yeah, boss! Boss! Boss, boss! Yeah, sit too. Ni aje bro?
Iti sawa.
Hii imenizimikia karibu nikiingia kwenu bwana. Inanizimikia hapa tu. Niwekee 600 hapa.
Ngapi?
600. Nimehema. He is heavy. Galia kwako. Ndio hiyo. We. Sawa, asante.
Nataka saa mbili hapa. Basi nakuja kufundisha muziki. Niko na nyepesi sana.
That was very stupid. I was testing how this bike is consuming fuel, and then out of nowhere, this thing runs out of fuel, and it has zero notice. Of course, I could see the gauge was reading empty. I think I overstretched it. Pushing this thing for like 200 meters. Okay. All right. That's okay. Let's go. Vograri, I believe now. Just one kick, and we are good. The guy was only last kick. Now, how do I go back to where the heck I was standing? I have to go this way, and then come back the other way. Don't be like me, don't be stupid. Just run your life properly. Okay, let's go back home. Let's go back home. Out of the experience I have had today and the experience I had last weekend when I was going to Kapenguria with the other rally, they are totally two different experiences. This bike I'm riding right now, this one, has never had a long distance ride. I have only used it to commute to work through traffic. The other one never got any traffic. It was used for long distance traveling. So the fuel consumption for both of them is totally different. This one is giving me around 29 point something to 30 kilometers per liter. The other one was giving me 35 for long distance. So I can comfortably say the Volkswagen 300 2025 is giving you 30 kilometers per liter in the city traffic and 35 kilometers per liter on long distance. That one I can give you with guarantee because I have tested and verified. 30 kilometers per liter in the city, 35 on the highways for long distance. I think I have learned something. Yeah.